What's up, guys? It's me, Matthew here, and today we're gonna be challenging Chapter 2, The Moon. I thought that because we already saw most of the actual chapter in Chapter 1, that I might as well just skip over to the moon in Chapter 2, because we already know what's gonna happen. We already know, what the result is gonna be like. Yeah. Okay, now we shall challenge the moon with a cat CPU, because cat CPUs, once you get full money, they don't just money, money, money. Oh, if the boss is doing half of your base's health, money, money, money. No, it won't do that. Oh dang. C. I forgot to turn it off. Viking, please. Thank you. That was a little bit bad, for the run. I'm gonna need to get at least one Luga before I turn the thing back on. I'm gonna need another one of those, and this, and this, and this, and this. And this, and this, and this, and this. Okay. Wow. Wow, yeah, activate the dude's attack in time for all of the other people to get here. Such a useful person, Giraffe. Wow. Oh, dang, I should have saved that for the attack. I am dumb. Okay, Cat CPU, let's go. Cat CPU in a situation like on the moon, I feel like Cat CPU actually does something instead of just be annoying and useless like normal. Thank you, Nandum, for just... Okay, this will get us, a truckload of money. We could have bought another Luga, but the cat CPU decided to spend $15,000 on a whole army. Ooh, that's a knockback. That's a knockback. That's good. Alright. No, don't stop moving forward. I don't want you to get hit by the blast. Papa Luca. I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna save up for another Luga. No, sister, mister. Alright, thank you. They're waiting for me. Bro, this guy's head is up in the stars, even on the moon. Ow! You hurted me. The Lugas are much stronger than Anubis, the person that we tried to do it with last time. And that's because they have 3 times as much range. None of the stuff can actually hit them. Nandum isn't actually hitting them. So, we're already good. Nandum will never actually be able to hit our Lugas. Because we just have a constant stream of guys coming with my human... Coming with, from all of my, getting guys. And he's dead. All of me getting guys and the CPU also getting guys. Yeah, there's no way in heck that Niandum could have won there. The Knuckle Lugas look down and spit on you, you pitiful Lucifer knockoff. Literally nothing is getting killed. How is nothing getting killed right now? We did it! We completed it! Now we're at chapter 3, number 3. Hee hee. I really want to get a Dragon Emperor. Because those two, both the Nekolugas and the Dragon Emperors, both of those my favorite Uber events. I actually used to have, I'm pretty sure his name was Raiden from this Dragon Emperor's thing. He was really good against Reds and overall like one of my best Ubers from that save file. And the Elemental Pixies, Bazaibon is the only one I really care about. The Vajiras, don't really want any of them. So I'm gonna go after the Dragon Emperors. Hee hee hee. Although this one is only this video is only 5 minutes long at this point, so I guess we'll start doing some chapter 3 until I run out of energy. Let's go. Wow, Korea, the hardest stage in all of mankind. Oh no. We did it, and we only need one giraffe, and it wasn't that interesting. Wow. But I'm thinking this is just gonna be one of our shorter episodes. Actually, no, you know what? I'm gonna be seeing how we can get more cat food. Gamatoto, assistant. Ooh, revival of Bahama Cat will give 100 cat food, but we're far from that. Time enough for cats? No, absolutely not. That is way too hard for us to do. All weekly missions. Okay, what are the weekly missions? Clear cat ticket stages 3 times. That is a Kaidaman stages. 5 stories of legend stages. I don't think I can do stories of legend stages. Even with the Nekolugas, they just swarm me and I'm not able to do anything. Let's see how Gamatoto is going. Good, okay. Got him and his engineer. I don't have any resources because I don't do stories of legend stages. Well, I'm gonna go try and do some stories of legend stages. You know what? Why the heck not? If I get smoked on the first stage, yeah. Where are they? Stories of legend. The legend begins. Earthshaker. 3 enemies appearing. Let's go! The best Battle Cats song to ever exist. You can't see it, but I'm vibing right now. Na 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 na. Dancing! Wow! Wow, okay. So far they're sending out just a bunch of little guys, which makes me very concerned, so I'm just gonna, save up for Nekoluga. Oh no, Sister Mister. Oh no, Sister Mister. Why don't you, Sister Mister, Sister, stop? Why don't you, Sister Mister, Sister, stop it right now? Please, could you do that for me? Please, please, oh please, please. Okay, Nekoluga. Luga Neko. Luga of Nekos. The music is looping, guys. Could you pick up the pace? I can put up some death metal, make your heads bob faster, I don't know. Wow! Wow! All of the nice music is just ruined by all of this ruckus. Okay, is there going to be anything? Yeah. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Is there gonna be something when the base has like 2 health left? Or is it just not gonna be anything? There isn't anything. Okay, well that's one. Let us go back. Return of Terror. Only 2 enemies. 2 enemies that could be very strong? Okay, it's those guys. So just one weak little peon. Which makes my hopes high that both of them are just weak little peons like last time. Oh no, a metal hippo! A metal hippo! I don't have any critical attackers! Oh wait, and the Lugas are metal. Okay, this is actually kind of bad. If metal hippos are in this, like, early in, then I'm scared. Although the music is great. I should spend less time vibing and more time, trying to actually send out guys that will help. What about this? What about the original trio? Let's see if you can get through the original trio. Well, you probably can, but god dang. Okay. Just get him away from the base. Get him away from the base and everything will be okie dokie. Ow, ow, oh no, oh no. Oh yes, sister. I didn't expect them to be knocked back by this. Like, I didn't expect them to be knocked back. Did they change the hippo? Because I'm pretty sure with metal enemies, it's like, unless you have a critical attacker, it's just like, hey, you do 1 damage. The music's looping, and he's still just like, he can smell the base, but he can't smell no more because he's dead. All right. Saving up for another Luga because he came out when we took away like 2 of the base HP, so there might be another thing in there. Guys, you're not supposed to start attacking the base until I get my other Luga out. Oh no. Bonk. 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 Yeah, off camera, I evolved Papa Luga up to like almost level 20. Oh my god, Sprockets. Oh my gosh, Sprockets. I evolved him to like level 19, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, now he's gonna be doing serious work. Sunset Blues. Wow. There's only 4 enemies appearing. You know what? I'm gonna look up Sunset. So, it seems that Sunset Blues doesn't have anything really bad in it, so let's go! Trying to get more cat food! Oh no! I'm so scared! it's just snakes, dogs, and crocos plus those guys. And by those guys, I mean the three little guys. Those are what those enemies are called. Those guys. Snakes, dogs, crocodiles, and those guys. Wow, wow. A simple giraffe and a Thor should do the trick. Oh, except there's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. How many crocodiles is that? Become a millionaire from killing all these. All right. I literally got like almost like 3,000 from killing all of those crocodiles. What the heck? I'm gonna want a Nekoluga just to deal with all of them. Also, that mythical... I'm surprised he didn't die from all of the crocodiles, because they were biting at his toes like... They were like sucking him up like a dang vacuum. Based on like those bites, so... I'm surprised he even survived to tell the tale to some random dogs and those guys in the form of a fist. Yay! We're doing it! Okay. Okay, so... bonk, bonk, and bonk. Was the trillions and trillions of crocodiles the boss? Bonk, donk, bonk. This is what... yay! Oh my gosh, wood or coal or whatever. It just looks like black wood. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Slow beam. Okay. Iron wall. What that? What that do? What that do? What is that do? What does iron wall do? Okay. Thunderbolt. Ooh. Water blast. Oh wait, it says build a cat can summon the iron wall cat. What? What is an iron wall cat? I don't know what an iron wall cat is. I truly do not. Percent the cat will stop enemies in their tracks. So a freeze ray, basically. Then the water blast will... Oh, effective against metal? Okay, that's cool. Then there's Holy Blast. Anti-zombie weapon that fires an angelic light. Massive damage to buried zombies. Freezes enemies. Okay. Breaker Blast. Destroy barriers and knock back enemies. Okay. Curse Blast. Ooh, curse. Okay. I'm surprised I didn't need any of those, like, weird, like, relic-looking things. Melancholy Damp. Whatever that means. Alright, guys, I think it's time to end today's video. Remember, guys, I don't know, just Be kind. I love you all. Thank you all for watching the video. Goodbye.